There are going to be times when you will not be able to serve on a day you have been scheduled. Unless absolutely necessary, we ask that you not decline a service date. Sunday team scheduling makes it easy for you to swap your serving day with someone else or find someone who is willing to replace you. If you swap dates with someone, you will need to serve on their date and they will serve on yours. When you ask for a replacement, you are asking someone to serve on your date and there is no swap. The easiest way to get to your serving dashboard is to return to the email or text that had your volunteer request. Once you have found and opened the email, click on the View and Respond button. This will take you to your serving dashboard, and you will want to find the date on which you are unable to serve. I'm going to go ahead and pick this first one. We're going to click on the date, and that will bring up this menu. If you look down, you have several choices. You have find a replacement, swap with someone, or send a message to the person who's scheduling you. We're going to begin with swap with someone, and we're going to go ahead and click on that link. When you click on that link, it gives you a choice of future dates that you would like to swap. So we're just going to go ahead and pick the first one, and going to review the date, make sure that's the date you want, and then click on continue. You will see that there are a couple of people who would be available on that date. You can message all of them, or you can click and remove one or more if you want. We're going to go ahead and leave it on all of them. Click on continue. And there's a place here for you to write a message to that person, or you can leave the default message. Once you click on send request, your message will go out to the two people with whom you want to ask to swap. And once one of them chooses to swap, the swap will be made and you will be notified that there is a swap. Okay, we're going to go back. This time we want to select find a replacement. So I'm going to go ahead and click on find a replacement. That brings up a note. And this time if I come up to selected volunteers, I have a choice. I can send this to everybody who serves in my position. And that's the default if you want to leave it there. Or once again, you can turn some of these off if you like. There's your message. The next thing you do is you click on send message and the message goes out. When someone chooses to replace you, that deal is done. The replacement is taken care of. You will get a message and you will have someone to cover for you, and you do not need to swap. Okay, those are the two methods that you can use to either swap or get a replacement when you are unable to serve. Thank you for watching this video.